chicken sotanghon, everybody. Enjoy. If you have access to dried earwood mushrooms, by all means use that. This has been soaking overnight, guys. I will be saving the liquid. Alright, we will use that for the broth. And these dried mushrooms that are now soft, I'm gonna slice it thinly and we will add this to the soup. Store-bought kikiam fish cakes to some. Alright, I will use some of it. I will slice this thinly. If you have some, use it. If you don't, no big deal. Adding 3/4 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and we are going to boil this. The chicken breast has finally cooled down, and I'm just gonna use a small wedge of the cabbage. This is a very small Savoy cabbage, everybody, so I'm just going to use small one. 1/4 wedge. Okay, let's cook the onions first. Small yellow onion, peeled and diced. Adding 5 cloves of garlic, minced. Alright, either put annatto oil or achwete. I don't have achwete, but I'm using 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Ground pepper. Let's add the earwood mushrooms. I am saving the broth, everybody. After about 30 seconds, let's add the broth, mushroom broth. A cup. And adding chicken broth. Ito po yung pinagpakuluan ko ng manok kanina. That's 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups of chicken broth and 1 cup of mushroom broth. I will adjust the heat from medium to high and we will bring the broth to a boil. And if you have safflower or kasuba, you may add it now. 6 minutes into cooking the broth, it is now boiling. Let's move on. Let's add the chicken, followed by the kikiam or fish cakes. Everyone, this is the sotanghon that I am using. This is what we are accustomed to use, or at least most of the people I know use this kind of sotanghon. So wala pong naiiba. For my I will adjust the heat to medium and we will bring this to a boil one more time until the noodles are soft. A minute and a half into boiling the soup, let's start adding the vegetables. Okay, carrots, a cup and a half. Alright, maliliit na po yung hiwa ng carrots, so you don't need to add it at the beginning of the cooking process. And besides, I prefer the carrots to be slightly firmer. Okay, maglalagay po ako ng bichuelas, 2 cups of bichuelas, totally optional, everybody. I've seen sotanghon in the past where they added bichuelas and I thought it's a good idea, so I decided to add bichuelas in my sotanghon. Looks like I'm gonna be needing more broth, so I'm adding another cup of chicken broth. I will add more ground pepper, everybody. Okay, I tasted it off cam. For me, parang kulang pa po ng alat, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Guys, if you want patis, add patis. 2 minutes into simmering the liquid, I can see the bubbles are starting to appear around the edges. I'm now adding the cabbage. I will turn off the heat now. Alright, I'm just gonna use the carryover temperature or the heat to cook the repolyo. Nilagang itlog, hard-boiled eggs, everybody. Kinchay, dahon ng celery, green onions or cilantro, whatever you want to add in the end, perfectly fine. And if you want more texture, you can add chicharron on top. Chicken sotanghon, everybody. Enjoy. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video that I just uploaded. To all my friends sa Instagram, sa YouTube channel under Chef Ron Bilaro, and also sa inyo, my dear Facebook friends. Maraming salamat po, and always remember, I love you. I'll see you again next time. Bye. Keep sharing my videos, ha. Bye, everybody.